For Kahwa Coffee, Florida's largest independent roaster, success came with a complex challenge. With 15 retail locations and a massive wholesale network, their manual processes were reaching a breaking point. Operational visibility was limited. Managing inventory across 15 locations was a constant struggle, and daily reconciliation between HQ and their stores took up to 8 manual hours every single day. They needed a way to automate, validate, and scale. That's where Amzur stepped in. As experts in ERP advisory, NetSuite consulting, and implementation, Amzur designed a tailored, native solution. This began with a custom Focus POS connector, ensuring daily sales data flowed seamlessly into NetSuite without reliance on cumbersome third-party tools. By leveraging our deep understanding of the NetSuite ecosystem, we built a native integration with Focus POS, eliminating the need for expensive, recurring middleware subscriptions. More critically, we automated the creation of invoices, payments, deposits, and credit memos, and customized items and records to fit Kahwa's unique business DNA. The results were transformative. Processing time plummeted from 8 hours to just 3. Management gained clear cash visibility for every location through NetSuite Analytics, and automated daily statements eliminated the need for additional staffing. This is the Amzur difference. Whether it's retail, manufacturing, healthcare, or energy and utilities, we deliver comprehensive product engineering, from AI-based automation to managed infrastructure services. Ready to unlock your company's full potential? Start the conversation with Amzur today and schedule your free consultation. Experience a tailored approach aligned perfectly with your goals.